Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something very close to my heart. The topic is the people who changed my story. When we look back at our lives, it is easy to focus on milestones, achievements, degrees, jobs, awards, and accomplishments. But when I truly reflect on my journey, I realize that my story was never built by achievements alone. It was shaped by people. People who taught me, people who corrected me, people who guided me, people who believed in me, and sometimes people who simply appeared at the right moment and said exactly what I needed to hear. Looking back, I can honestly say that every chapter of my life carries the influence of someone who helped me become the person I am today. So, to begin with, I would like to talk about the teachers who built my foundation. My journey begins in school. One of the earliest teachers I remember is Anita ma'am, my class second teacher. As children, we don't always understand why teachers are strict. We often remember the discipline before we understand the lesson behind it. At that age, a correction may feel harsh, but as we grow older, we begin to understand that teachers are often trying to prepare us for responsibility, accountability, and discipline. Then there was Indira ma'am and Praveen ma'am during my primary school years. Primary school teachers have a special place in our lives because they help build the foundation upon which everything else stands. Long before we discover our careers, passions, and dreams. And you know what? These teachers help us learn confidence, curiosity, and the courage to ask questions. I also remember Bala ma'am, my Hindi teacher. Language teachers do much more than teach grammar and vocabulary. They teach expression, they teach communication, they teach us how to give words to our thoughts and emotions. I still remember my English teacher who asked me to speak one sentence at a time. She is among someone who eventually became one of the inspirational person of my life, which was a gift that was invaluable. The teachers beyond school was a learning that did not stop inside the classroom. Throughout my academic journey, I also had home tutors and teachers who supported me through different subjects and examinations. Among them was my elder brother. His educational services became inspirational, and that was not related to ordinary lessons. He contributed towards my growth, towards understanding the difficult subjects. He taught me about consistency, confidence, and sometimes he also taught me to give up when topics seemed impossible to understand. So his presence is also very much important in my life. Apart from the teachers who prepared me for bigger dreams, they belonged to a higher education because the influence of teachers became even more significant. I studied, appeared for entrance examinations, explored different careers, paths, and continuously searched for my direction. Many plans worked, many plans did not. But throughout those years, educators and professors helped me continue moving forward. I remember the professors who guided me during my college years. The lessons they taught went beyond textbooks. They encouraged critical thinking. They encouraged independent thought. And you know what? They also encouraged us to see the world from different perspectives. Then comes my professional life that was all related to the mentors who expanded my vision. There is a difference between a teacher and a mentor. Did you know that? I understood it when I went to a professional training center. Teacher teaches a subject, a mentor teaches perspective. Throughout my journey, mentors helped me understand professional life. People like my professors like Pramila Srivastava, Swasti ma'am, and mentors from professional institutions helped shape my understanding of work, communication, and personal growth. Sometimes mentorship happens through direct guidance, and sometimes it happens through a single conversation. Sometimes it happens through observing how someone carries themselves. So a mentor can change your direction simply by helping you see possibilities that you couldn't see before. Now let's come to the friends part. The friends who walked beside me. You know what? No story is complete without friendship. I think about my friend Upasna. I think about other friends whose lives have taken them to different cities, different careers, and different journeys. Some are now settled in Chennai, some are building lives on their own, but their presence was quite inspirational. We may not speak every day because life may have taken us in different directions, but friendship leaves an imprint. You know why? Because there is a reason behind it, and the reason is very simple. Because the people who shared classrooms, assignments, celebrations, and challenges, they become a part of your story forever. I also think about my friends from Daltram College. Like many friendships, time changes the frequency of conversations. But the reason is that they become busy because of the careers, because they grow with careers. Responsibilities increase, but the memories remain, and those memories continue to influence who we are. And what are the learnings from people we have never met? Is one of the interesting things about modern life is that some of our influences come from people we have never met at all. And those come from the guest lecturers, industry experts, authors, public speakers, entrepreneurs, journalists, artists, celebrities, and many others. There were moments during my professional journey when listening to someone speak changed my perspective entirely. A single idea, a single sentence, a single story, and sometimes that's all it takes. We often underestimate the power of words. Did you know that? But you know what? When they spoke, their words have the ability to redirect lives, and that created an influence in my life. There was the influence of strong relationships also. There's another source of learning that many people overlook, like relationships. Over the years, I have observed couples, public figures, and personalities whose relationships demonstrated commitment, loyalty, respect, and perseverance. What inspired me was not perfection, it was consistency. The willingness to remain committed through changing seasons of life. There's the ability to grow together, the courage to remain authentic. These examples reminded me that meaningful relationships are built through trust, communication, respect, and patience. They offered perspective rather than illusion. They demonstrated reality rather than fantasy. And I believe there is great value in witnessing healthy examples of partnerships and commitment. So if I look back, then I really want to look back with gratitude. When I look back today, I don't see a journey that I completed alone. I see teachers, mentors, friends, professors, guides, speakers, role models, people who entered my life for a reason, whether briefly or for many years. Each person contributed something. A lesson, a correction, an opportunity, a conversation, a piece of wisdom, a new perspective. And together, those contributions helped shape my story. The truth is that none of us become who we are entirely on our own. Every life is influenced by countless people whose names may never appear in our biographies. Teachers who stayed late to help, friends who listened, mentors who believe in us, and speakers who inspired us, and role models who showed us what was possible. Today, I simply want to say thank you. Thank you to every teacher who taught me. Thank you to every mentor who guided me. Thank you to every friend who supported me. Thank you to every person whose words, actions, and example helped shape my perspective. Because when I look at my story, I realize something important. The best and luckiest things that happened to me were not just opportunities, they were people, and those people changed my story. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode of Long Stories and Long Days.